Hey folks, welcome to our channel. Before starting this video, let's take a look on few Faceless YouTube channel and their earnings. First channel is Digital Dollars. It has almost 55,000 subscribers and 112 videos on this channel. With these, they are earning from $116 to $1,900 monthly. Second channel is Bedtime Stories. It has almost 890k subscribers and 204 videos on this channel. With these, they are earning from $710 to $11,000 monthly. And believe me, these are small channels. There are bigger channels than these. So, let's see how you can create a faceless channel and start earning on YouTube. Introduction. Have you noticed the rise of faceless channels on YouTube? It's pretty fascinating stuff. Today, we're going to find it out that how you can also start a faceless YouTube channel and earn thousands of dollars monthly. I'll give you step-by-step guide by following which you will be able to establish a successful YouTube channel in just few weeks. But before, let's talk about why should you start a faceless YouTube channel. Imagine this, you're passionate about creating content, sharing your expertise, and building a community, but the thought of putting your face out there gives you second thoughts. Well, guess what? You're not alone. Many creators are choosing to go faceless for a variety of reasons. Going faceless means you can put all your energy into creating awesome content without the distraction of worrying about appearances. In an online world full of unknowns, going faceless gives you the power to control your privacy while still connecting with your audience. Going faceless doesn't mean losing your personal touch. It's about crafting a unique identity that speaks volumes without showing your face. So, if you're all about the content, creativity, and carving your own niche on YouTube, going faceless might just be the key to unlocking a whole new level of success. However, once you feel comfort to show your face, you can reveal it at any time. Now let's take a talk about how to start faceless YouTube channel, step by step. Step 1. Planning your niche. Choosing your niche is like setting the stage for your channel's success. First things first, identify what you're passionate about. What gets you excited? Whether it's gaming, tech reviews, lifestyle, or DIY projects, your niche should align with your interests. Now, it's not just about picking a popular topic, it's about finding the sweet spot where your passion intersects with what your audience wants. Think about what makes your perspective unique. Maybe you're the go-to person for tech advice with a humorous twist, or the DIY expert who simplifies complex projects, or a programmer, etc. Remember, your niche is your playground, so make sure it's a space where you can bring your A game consistently. The more genuine and enthusiastic you are about your content, the more it'll resonate with your audience. So, grab a notepad, brainstorm your interests, and let's find that perfect niche that'll make your channel stand out in the YouTube crowd. Step 2. Setting up your channel. Alright, let's transform your YouTube vision into reality. Here's the lowdown on setting up a channel that not only looks good but also draws viewers' attention. Create your YouTube account. First things first, dive into the YouTube community by creating your account. It's like opening the door to a world of endless possibilities. If you have a YouTube account, then it's good. If not, then create an account first. Create your logo. Design a logo that's the face of your channel, without showing your face. It's the visual cue that viewers will instantly associate with your content. You can use Canva create your logo. You can also use AI apps like DALL-E to generate a good-looking logo. Write channel description. Your channel description is your digital introduction. Craft a compelling story about your channel, enticing viewers to hit that subscribe button. Keep it intriguing, and it should describe you and channel in short but precise manner. Organize your content. Imagine your videos are chapters of an exciting book. Create playlists to organize your content neatly. It helps viewers navigate through your videos seamlessly. Setting up your channel is like creating a warm, virtual welcome mat. So, make it visually appealing, informative, and a place viewers can't resist revisiting. Step 3. Create engaging content. Let's dive deeper into the art of crafting captivating content that keeps your viewers hooked. Compelling script and narration. Your script is the beating heart of your video, guiding your audience through a captivating journey. Instead of just writing, think of it as crafting a narrative that unfolds seamlessly. Let your script be a tapestry of words, shaping a story with a clear beginning, middle, and end. Infuse your unique voice and personality to make it not just informative but truly engaging. A well-crafted script isn't just a guide, it's the magic that keeps your audience hooked from the first word to the last word. Visual storytelling. Visual storytelling is the backbone of an engaging video. It's not just about narrating, it's about showing. Utilize screen recordings, animations, or dynamic visuals to illustrate your narrative. Visuals can convey emotions, concepts, and information in a way that words alone might struggle to achieve. Transport your audience into your world through the power of compelling imagery. Captivating thumbnails and titles. Thumbnails and titles are your video's first impression. Invest time in designing eye-catching thumbnails that tease the content within. Craft titles that are both descriptive and intriguing. Think of your thumbnail and title as the cover of a book. Make it compelling enough that viewers can't resist clicking to discover what's inside. Background music. Background music is the silent storyteller in your video. Choose music that complements the mood and enhances the viewing experience. It adds an emotional layer, turning a regular video into a cinematic journey. Ensure the volume is balanced, allowing the music to enhance without overpowering your narration or visuals. Add interactive elements to engage your viewers. Interaction transforms passive viewers into an active community. Pose questions, run polls, or include a call to action. Encourage your audience to be part of the conversation. When viewers feel engaged and involved, they're more likely to connect with your content on a deeper level and become loyal subscribers. Consistent style or branding. Your video style is your brand identity. Maintain a consistent visual style, whether it's your editing techniques, color palette, or overall aesthetic. Consistency breeds familiarity, and a recognizable brand fosters trust. When viewers can instantly identify your videos, it creates a sense of reliability and encourages them to explore more of your content. Remember, creating engaging content is a journey, not a destination. Each video is an opportunity to refine your craft, connect with your audience, and build a community. Step 4. Scripting and voiceover tips. Creating an impactful video involves more than just visuals. It requires a well-crafted script and a voiceover that brings your words to life. Let's dive into the essentials of scripting and voiceover to elevate your content. Structured flow. Start with a clear structure: introduction, main content, and conclusion. Outline key points to keep your script focused. Ensure a natural flow that guides your audience through a seamless storytelling experience. Emotive voiceovers. Your voice is a powerful tool. Infuse passion, enthusiasm, and emotion into your voiceover. It's not just about what you say but how you say it. Connect with your audience on a personal level through the tone and energy in your voice. Pacing mastery. Consider the pacing of your script. Avoid speaking too fast or too slow. Find a rhythm that keeps your audience engaged. Break down complex information into digestible chunks, allowing your viewers to absorb and understand your message. Practice for perfection. Practice your script before recording. This helps familiarize yourself with the content, ensuring a smoother delivery. Work on pronunciation, intonation, and emphasis to enhance the overall quality of your voiceover. Strategic pauses. Don't underestimate the power of pauses. Use them strategically to emphasize key points, allow your audience to digest information, and create a natural, conversational feel. Pauses can add depth and clarity to your voiceover. Quality sound, quality impact. Ensure your voiceover is crystal clear by investing in good quality recording equipment. A clear, professional sound enhances the overall production value of your video and keeps your audience focused on your message. However, it does not mean buying expensive mics right after creating new channel. You can use your mobile phone for recording and, believe me, mobile phone's quality is far better than many cheap or medium-range mics. Step 5. Editing techniques. Crafting a compelling video is an intricate dance of visuals, storytelling, and seamless transitions. From trimming excess to perfecting timing, these techniques are the keys to creating videos that not only grab attention but keep your audience hooked. Trim the fat. In the editing room, less is often more. Trim unnecessary sections to maintain a tight narrative. Consider the viewer's attention span. Every moment should contribute to the overall flow and engagement. Seamless transitions. Smooth transitions are the glue holding your video together. Experiment with various transition techniques, cuts, fades, or even creative transitions, to maintain a seamless flow. However, avoid overusing them. Transitions should enhance, not distract from, your content. Visual consistency. Consistency is key for a professional look. Ensure a uniform visual style throughout your video. This includes color grading, fonts, and overall aesthetics. Consistency not only looks pleasing but also strengthens your brand identity. Enhance with effects. Use effects strategically to elevate your storytelling. Whether it's subtle color grading to set the mood or impactful visual effects for emphasis, every effect should serve a purpose. Be mindful not to overpower your content. Let the effects complement your narrative. Audio sweetening. Audio quality is as crucial as your visuals. Balance audio levels, remove background noise, and add music judiciously. Music should enhance the mood, not overshadow your voiceover. Achieving a harmonious audio mix is essential for an immersive viewing experience. Masterful timing. Timing is the unsung hero of editing. Perfect your timing in both visuals and audio. Well-timed edits can significantly impact the overall flow and impact of your video. Pay attention to the rhythm and pacing. It's the difference between a video that flows effortlessly and one that feels disjointed. Remember, the editing room is where your raw footage transforms into a polished masterpiece. Each cut, transition, and effect contribute to the viewer's experience. Step 6. Building an audience. Creating a thriving audience is about more than just views, it's about cultivating a community around your content. Let's break down key strategies. Consistent content delivery. Regularity breeds anticipation. Establish a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. Whether it's weekly uploads or bi-monthly releases, a predictable rhythm builds trust and keeps viewers coming back for more. Engagement is key. Building a community goes beyond content creation. Actively engage with your audience through comments and on social media platforms. Respond to comments, ask for opinions, and make your audience feel heard. The more involved they feel, the stronger the sense of community. Optimize for discoverability. Make your content easy to find. Optimize titles, descriptions, and tags using SEO best practices. This not only helps your existing audience find relevant content but also attracts new viewers searching for similar topics. Collaborate and cross-promote. Expand your reach by collaborating with other creators in your niche. Collaborations introduce your channel to a new audience. Additionally, cross-promote each other's content to share viewership. Utilize social media. Extend your presence beyond YouTube. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok to share snippets, updates, and behind-the-scenes content. Social media serves as a powerful tool for audience growth and interaction. Create a brand identity. Develop a unique and recognizable brand identity for your channel. Consistent visuals, tone, and messaging contribute to a strong brand. A well-defined brand helps your content stand out and fosters a sense of familiarity among your audience. Encourage subscriptions. Actively encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel. Subscribers are more likely to receive notifications about your new uploads, increasing the chances of consistent viewership. Include clear calls to action in your videos to prompt subscriptions. Analytics and feedback. Dive into your video analytics to gain insights into viewer behavior. Understand which content resonates the most and tailor your strategy accordingly. Pay attention to feedback from comments and use it to refine your content approach. Remember, audience building is an ongoing journey. By implementing these strategies, you'll not only attract viewers but create a thriving community around your Faceless YouTube channel. Step 7. Monetization and collaboration. Monetization and collaboration are crucial steps in the evolution of your YouTube channel. Let's break down each aspect. Monetization strategies. Dive into the world of revenue generation. Explore methods such as AdSense, channel memberships, and merchandise sales. Understand the eligibility criteria and optimize your content to meet the requirements. Affiliate marketing tactics. Harness the power of affiliate marketing. Integrate affiliate links strategically into your content, promoting products or services relevant to your audience. Earn commissions for every sale originating from your referral. Sponsorship opportunities. Attract sponsors interested in reaching your audience. Develop a compelling media kit showcasing your channel's strengths, demographics, and engagement metrics. Seek collaborations with brands aligning with your content. Channel memberships. Create an exclusive community within your channel by offering channel memberships. Provide perks like custom emojis, badges, and members-only content to incentivize audience support. Crowdfunding platforms. Leverage crowdfunding platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi to directly involve your audience in supporting your content financially. Offer exclusive perks or early access to incentivize contributions. Effective collaboration approaches. Collaborate strategically with other creators in your niche. Identify synergies, cross-promote each other's content, and participate in joint projects. Collaboration expands your audience reach and brings fresh perspectives to your channel. Networking on social media. Extend your collaboration efforts to social media. Network with influencers and creators on platforms like Instagram or Twitter. Establishing connections can lead to cross-platform collaborations and increased visibility. Participate in creator communities. Join creator communities on platforms like Discord or specialized forums. Engaging with fellow creators opens doors to collaboration opportunities, shared insights, and collective growth. By mastering monetization strategies and embracing collaborations, you're not just expanding your revenue streams, you're also fostering a dynamic ecosystem around your Faceless YouTube channel. Conclusion. And there you have it, aspiring content creators. We've embarked on a journey to build and nurture a thriving Faceless YouTube channel. From crafting engaging content without revealing your identity to mastering the art of editing, scripting, and voiceovers, you've gained insights into the essentials of content creation. But the journey doesn't end there. Building an audience, monetizing your passion, and collaborating strategically are the next chapters in your YouTube adventure. Remember, success is not an overnight feat, it's a culmination of dedication, creativity, and a deep connection with your audience. So, as you set forth on your Faceless YouTube endeavor, keep refining your craft, stay engaged with your community, and embrace the ever-evolving landscape of content creation. Your unique perspective, creativity, and commitment will undoubtedly carve a space for your channel in the vast world of YouTube. That's all for this video. In next video, we'll learn to create faceless videos in just couple minutes. So, stay tuned.